a part of this team. I mean, every day for me was a learning, and literally coming on set was like, oh, I'm going to a workshop and I'm getting to work with the most incredible people, incredible director, actor, and I just have a blast. And we've literally become like a mini family on set. They took care of me. Gyanvil sir made sure I was comfortable. Siva sir he's our teddy. He's the softest person I know, and you know, when you look at him and the kind of cinema he's making is so different from who he is as a person. He's very kind, very gentle, and the first time I met him, the only thing he said, I really want my actors to be happy when they come on set, and that's what I care about. And he made sure I was happy working every day. I think this is the best time I had shooting for a film. So thank you so much. And of course, working with legends here, I mean, I can't be more grateful. To the team. And Surya sir is amazing, like literally looking at him every day, being the character, his eyes, as you guys said, like it speaks the most. And I tried my best to learn as much as I could. And he's the most humble, one of the most humble people I know as well, and kind. Bobby sir, we didn't actually have many things to do, but yeah, we shot quite a lot, but like not as much. You'll see it when you watch the movie. But again, a sweetheart, so talented. DSP, I love you. I love your music. Thank you for making me a part of it, and Studio Green. So grateful to be a part of the movie.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग दैट. और मतलब देखो सब एकदम सुकून में चले गए आपकी आवाज सुन के. गिव इट अप फॉर दिशा पाटनी, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Bobby sir, this one's for you. You know, first of all, of course, everybody would want to know how was it collaborating with this team, but not just that. There's another part to this question. You know, working with these wonderful people and in a new industry.
I don't find any difference between our industry and their industry. It's the same. You know, there's no difference. It's just the language is different. But I still remember जब मुझे पहली बार इन्होंने अप्रोच किया तो मुझे कहा कि एक फिल्म बना रहे हैं हम और जैसे सूर्य का नाम लिया तो I got so excited. I said सूर्य इस फिल्म में है and I'm a big fan of his. तो ये फिल्म तो अच्छी होगी क्योंकि सूर्य ने जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं आज तक उसमें हमेशा कुछ होता है, कोई बात होती है उसमें एक कहानी में, मेकिंग में और it always touches your emotions and it's always leaves an impact on you. तो जब उसका नाम सुना तो मैंने बोला I didn't know anything about Shiva the director or Gyanvil the producer. पर जब बात बनी नहीं उस वक्त फिर एकदम से मैंने कहा ये फिल्म तो मुझे करनी है क्योंकि मैंने कहानी सुननी थी. मैंने कहा अभी तो नहीं आ रहे लेकिन मेरे पास वापस दोबारा ज़रूर आएंगे ये. I manifested it and Gyanvil knows that. And they did come back to me for the film and it was a great uh, time being on the sets of this film, working with the whole team. I mean, ये जो आपने देखा अभी ये teaser, आप देख सकते हैं इसमें पूरा टीम वर्क कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी सबको. मतलब लाइट डिपार्टमेंट, असिस्टेंट्स, कैमरा डिपार्टमेंट, प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट, सब ने इतनी मेहनत की. मतलब जो दिन मैंने शूटिंग की वहाँ पर मतलब वहाँ पर पानी था बहुत. पानी में आधा टाइम तो सब लोग पानी में रहते थे. फिर जो दूसरा हिस्सा शूट किया तो वहाँ पर स्टॉर्म फैंस लगा दिए. वहाँ पर धूल मट्टी और मतलब सब कुछ कर रहे थे लेकिन इतने पैशनेटली कर रहे थे सब. और शिवा जब मुझे शुरू करने से पहले उसने मुझसे कहा कि बॉबी सर डोंट वरी यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी ऑन द सेट. और मैंने बोला ओके, सब बोलते तो ऐसे ही हैं कि आप हैप्पी हो गए सेट पर आई स्वेयर आई मीन एक दिन ऐसा नहीं गया जब मैं उदास हुआ सेट पर. मतलब इतना मज़ा आया, मैं इतना खुश रहा हर टाइम. और शिवा मतलब इतना प्यारा इंसान है. मतलब इतनी बड़ी प्रोडक्शन शूटिंग चल रही है लेकिन उसको कभी मैंने नाराज़ या गुस्सा होते हुए देखा नहीं. बस स्माइल ही रहती थी उसकी चेहरे में, उसकी आंखों में. और है थोड़ा गोल मटोल सा तो मैं उसको टेडी बेयर बुलाने लग गया. तो बड़ा क्यूट सा बंदा है और उसने इतनी मेहनत की इस फिल्म को आपके सामने लाने के लिए. एंड ज्ञानवेल आई मीन जैसे प्रोड्यूसर अगर ना हो इस इंडस्ट्री में तो ऐसी प्रोडक्शंस बन नहीं सकती. एंड थैंक यू सो मच ज्ञानवेल seriously and Jayanti Lalji for presenting this film. You know what this film is all about and you always have chosen the right products. and then working with my Surya. My Surya is, मतलब मैंने फिल्म हाँ इसलिए की थी क्योंकि सूर्य है, और जब मैं मिला सूर्य से सेट पर, तो ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं उसको पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं सदियों से, मतलब सालों से इसे जानता हूँ. इतना डाउन टू अर्थ, इतना हम्बल इंसान, इतना बड़ा स्टार होने के बावजूद, मतलब इतनी फैमिली वैल्यूज़ हैं. मतलब हम दोनों बस अपनी फैमिलीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस करते रहते थे, और यू नो इट वाज जस्ट सो ग्रेट बॉन्डिंग विद यू सूर्य, सीरियसली. और इसने फिर, इसको कॉफ़ी का शौक है. कॉफ़ी का शौक है, तो तेरी कॉफ़ी, ये बड़ी अच्छी कॉफ़ी बनवाता था. तो एक दिन मैंने पूछ लिया, यार कहाँ से लाता तू ये कॉफ़ी, तो ही गिफ्टेड मी सम कॉफ़ी बीन्स. सो इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी. थोड़ा मौसम ख़राब हुआ बीच में, उस वक्त चेन्नई में बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ने लग गई थी, पर ऑन द होल इट हैज़ बीन एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद दिस टीम. एंड अभी आप सबकी ब्लेसिंग्स चाहिए. आप सब प्लीज़ दिल से ब्लेसिंग्स दीजिए हमें, और थिएटर में जाके देखिए, क्योंकि ऐसी फिल्म थिएटर के लायक ही है. तो थैंक यू सो मच. 14 नवंबर को लग रही है ये फिल्म, एंड आई एम डेफिनेट आपको ये फिल्म बहुत पसंद आएगी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Wow. You know, after the humongous success of Animal, I'm sure बॉबी सर को भी इंतजार था कि उतना ही कुछ धमाकेदार स्क्रीन पे दिखना चाहिए, जो कि दिख रहा है. सो इस टीम के लिए सर, यू वांट टू से समथिंग ऑन दैट?
आई एम जस्ट वेरी ब्लेस्ड. मेरे को तो अभी भी ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं सपना देख रहा हूँ कि मुझे फिर से एक इतनी बड़ी फिल्म मिली है. यू नो मैं बस मेहनत करता रहता हूँ. बस हर एक्टर की यही ड्रीम होता है कि उनको अच्छे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स मिलते रहें, और मैं बहुत लकी हूँ कि मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट मिला है. एंड व्हाट डू आई से, आई कीप पिंचिंग माई सेल्फ कि क्या हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.
Bobby sir, we all love you. जोरदार तालियां बॉबी सर के लिए. Now, moving on to the man of the hour, the day, the year, what not. Surya sir, welcome. सबसे पहले इस मुलाकात के पहले आपका
Thank you,
स्वागत
Nathan.
है.
What energy you have, man. Thank you for entertaining us and keeping us good.
So, please tell us anything and everything Kangwa sir.
I have a lot to say. I'll try to keep it as short as possible. A very good afternoon. It's a very, very special day for me. My respects first to all the senior journalists here, my friends from the media, photographers, and all the channels, and all my friends from the social media. Uh, Mumbai, thank you. Thank you for being here with us. I'm seeing you all after quite some time. I think it was 2010 after Rakta Charitra. I'm meeting all of you again. Um, Mumbai becomes a home for all of us. Whenever you come to Mumbai, Mumbai makes you feel at home. It's more special for me because it's also my in-laws' place. My my family's here. My children are going to school here. So 2.5 years I've spent in Mumbai. So it's very special to come here and promote Kangua. For all of us, being in the industry for 27 years, sometimes you don't realize, but you realize late that now you have become a senior and you have to take the lead first. For me personally, during the COVID, I had my like very close to heart two films. One was Udan Sarfara Surare Potter in Tamil and Jai Beam. These two films, I couldn't bring those films to the theaters, and for me, it was a huge pain for all of us, for the director, for the entire team. So after the OTT, the way it exploded, the way we all saw the world cinema, we are always in awe of the experience films, the spectacles which you see on screen, and of course, thanks to Rajamouli Garu for starting off with Bahubali. So with Shiva sir, when are we going to do such films? Like Indian films, we need to cater to world market, and it has to become an Indian film first of all. So when Shiva sir came and narrated this film, you don't need just hardworking people, but you need people who can give lot of love for the art. For giving good cinema, you need people who with large heart, who don't see time, who don't see money, who don't see like how much I'm working hard, did I break my bone. Nobody's going to complain, and only for the love for cinema. I think the entire family here is here because of the love for good cinema and to give a greater experience to people who all are coming back to theaters again. Uh, this is completely visually a never seen before film. I would humbly say we have lot of landmark films, iconic films in Indian cinema. I have lot of respect for all that, but my entire team, all of us who all have put together this 2 years plus work, I would say the visuals will be something which is never seen before. It's just not the stunts, it's just not the VFX. It can be seen in any Marvel film, any foreign language film. But also when my father's coming, my mother's coming, my elders are coming, they need an emotion, a strong emotion working in the film. Even if you take off the actions, even if you take off others, hard-hitting stuff, the emotion should, they should know it should be let this be a takeaway when you watch a film and walk away. So I think Shiva hugely he banks on his visuals and also his emotions. So Kangwa is a work of um, a lot of heart, I would say, and if not them, of course, it started as a Tamil film. If not my brother here, my brother, dearest brother, first time I sincerely feel brother from another mother, what it feels. So Disha here and Gada sir here, they all have made this Indian film. If not for the cast and crew, financially supporting it, being it by talent, giving their time and giving their experience, all have come together and made Kanguva an Indian film is what I would like to say. Thanks to Nyanvel for greenlighting this project. I have done a lot of films with Nyanvel, from Singham to many. He started off with my brother and my project. And this film, every time he'll push boundaries. He will not succumb to what market dictates or controls. He always makes it another one more footstep. He keeps it and makes the market follow him. So with Kangua, I'm hoping all the theater owners and all the distributors, everybody involved will have lot of satisfaction and peace, and also for good movie watchers like uh, for you also. I think it's our responsibility now, being in the industry for 27 years. It's our responsibility to give large format films, and these kind of films will again inspire other people and would want to make more films which will get more people to the theaters. I have a lot to say, but my dear brother DSP here, he's heart and soul. Whenever there's a project, he gives not only his shoulder, head, full, entire, entire, no, he gives his life for a film. We've enjoyed being with him. He's truly a rock star. With his advice, the movie's only got better. It's not only with music, it can be dubbing, it can be something in the